Welcome to our video on Quietum Plus Ingredients, how they help alleviate tinnitus. In this video, we will discuss the key ingredients found in Quietum Plus and their amazing benefits when it comes to alleviating the symptoms of tinnitus. One of the key ingredients in Quietum Plus is red raspberry. This powerful fruit is rich in antioxidants which help to reduce inflammation in the ears and promote overall ear health. Quietum Plus also contains garlic extract. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and it can help to improve blood circulation in the ears, reducing the ringing and buzzing sounds associated with tinnitus. Green tea is another important ingredient in Quietum Plus. It is packed with antioxidants that protect the cells of the inner ear, preventing further damage and reducing the severity of tinnitus symptoms. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining healthy nerves in the ears. Quietum Plus contains a potent dose of vitamin B12, which can help to repair the damage caused by tinnitus and alleviate its symptoms. In conclusion, Quietum Plus is a natural supplement that contains powerful ingredients like red raspberry, garlic extract, green tea, and vitamin B12. These ingredients work together to reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, protect inner ear cells, and repair nerve damage, providing relief from tinnitus symptoms. Try Quietum Plus today and experience the benefits for yourself.